this channel. Today's lesson is a UI search bar. To use any search, so let's jump in project. So let's first of all we create search bar variable. First of all create let search bar UI search bar and the search bar is a search class to using some methods, placeholder and buttons, stack fields. These are properties all search bar. And your superclass search bar is the UI view, UI bar positioning and UI text input trends. This is lots of property you can use and customizable your text field. So search bar style. Search bar style is three types of default, minimal and prominent. We are using prominent. And search bar dot placeholder and click search. Search is a placeholder and the size is a size to fit. Search bar is transcript is a true and search bar dot delegate as a self. So we are required using this delegate method. Remove this UI search bar delegate to remove this error, and view add subview is the search bar and apply some constraint ns layout active. So search bar dot top anchor constraint equal to view dot safe layout guidance dot top anchor and is a 20. Search bar dot leading constraint and leading constraint dot constraint equal to view dot leading constraint is the 20. Trailing constraint is the trailing anchor dot constraint view dot trailing anchor is minus 20 and search bar dot height anchor dot constraint is height is around 70 and then required auto transition resizing mask auto resizing mask so false. So adding this search bar search text field, this is a cancel to remove, but this is some lining in background. So to this is a add your background images and colors, but we have not needed to require any image. We are required only search field. So remove this area. Search dot background image is a UI image is empty image, no any image. So blank this remove part of this background portion and only needed is search field. But we are using this delegate method, so lots of search should begin editing, did begin editing, should end editing, did end editing, and search bar text did change, should change text in range, and lots of delegate method. we are used in this text did changed. So search bar, search, first of all delegate this method, then after you access your delegate method. So bar change, so date change to print search text is here. To use this, every time call this to write any text in your text field. So this is create create code with Anand. Every text change to call this function. What's this? This is call this function every action to change, and click to remove. So print empty. This click to, here is a print empty. So using this search field to apply any filters in your project and search anything to add your requirement of your project. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, subscribe this channel, hit the notification bell, you will get notification my latest video. Thank you.